Sounds that send chills down your spine.
Digital Dave is here to show us how to create spooky sounds just in time for trick-or-treaters. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you. Good morning.
Okay, this is going to be fun. We're ready. Teach us something.
Cool. Well, we got some sound effects using science, but some of the stuff is stuff you can do at home. All right? Like you have balloons at home. You can do one of these.
We have balloons in our pantry for sure.
And
what's
Joel,
inside there?
If you take that one that you've got there and just swirl it around.
So screw nuts are inside. What?
Yeah. All this is a single wing nut or a single nut, a hex nut, and a balloon that you blow up and tie it shut. It makes that fun sound.
Let me try this.
Okay.
So just make it spin.
Yeah, just spin it around.
Ooh. That is very spooky. And an inexpensive creation,
yeah.
How does that work? What's the science behind that?
The hex nut edges, as it rolls around, it's making contact with the balloon and just
the friction of it all.
Giving it a little whack and making noise.
What is this right here?
This is a monster noisemaker. All right. So this is just an old bucket we had laying around, and this is a cloth string with some ridges on it. And here's how it works. You get your fingers wet, or take a wet cloth. You pull it out.
Oh. Do you know what it reminds me of? When you coil up a ribbon with like scissors, and it makes that kind of noise. Let me try.
So imagine standing behind. Here, I'll hold that.
Okay, hold that. Okay. Oh, I didn't get it.
Squeeze it really tight.
Okay.
Oh, and let go.
Joel, you want to try?
Let go of the. Just hold it right here.
What are we trying to hear?
Just pull.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's a good one.
That's a good
All
sound.
right,
I like
That's actually the bucket.
You got one.
What's this right here?
All right. This is actually a spaceship noise that you can make using a turkey baster. All right. And if you know how to make a whistle with a bottle, you can use this thing. Only this thing, because we've got water in it, it'll actually make a different noise. So if you hold that, you kind of squeeze it.
This is sort of like the thing that you can buy, the penny whistle kind of deal, except you're doing it yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And the more water you put into it, the more sound you can get out of it.
That's fascinating.
But you can also get yourself a little squirt in the face if you're not careful with it. Okay.
Kids like that. Anything involving
water. We tried
water.
that a couple times. It didn't work.
Okay.
Okay.
Try again. I'm terrible at this. I'm not doing a very good job, Digital Dave.
Okay.
Can I try this one? Because I feel like this is my shot.
This is where you can make it a spaceship noise. Now this is a slinky and another metal bucket. All right. And you take something like this that's nice and hard, and just give it a little twick.
I'm flicking water.
You're flinging water around.
Well, that really does sound like space.
And you get to shower your friends with water.
That is a space noise.
Yeah, it's kind of like phasers.
Yeah, it's exactly
or
like
Star Wars
that.
noises, okay?
That was pretty cool.
Okay.
You got one more for us.
One more? Okay, this is one of my favorite things. This is called a thunder tube. And if you just kind of give it a little wiggle, kind of shake it around.
That's a lot of noise.
Now wiggle it harder.
For a little deal.
Okay, now give it a big snap. There you go, lightning.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Those are fun, aren't they?
Where do you find something like this?
Those you can actually get on Amazon.
You can get those on Amazon?
Yeah,
oh, I
several
love
sizes.
that.
So what else are you
awesome.
doing? For Mad Science is always going everywhere, doing everything. Tell us a little bit before we run out of time where you're going next, what you're doing.
We're going to be doing a lot of shows at libraries all around town. We are also starting after school programs in Liberty and Park Hill and in Shawnee Mission. So
my kids love when you
birthday
come
parties.
to school. It's fantastic. They have such a good time. You have so much to teach, and they have a great time. They don't even know they're learning anything.
It's great
They're
stuff.
having so much fun.
Stealth learning.
Listen to that. We're going to have a link to
learning.
these experiments and so much more from Mad Science on KCLive.tv later today. That sounds great.
There you go.
Big fan.